बैक टू माय चैनल। माय नेम इज़ श्वेता और आज मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाली हूँ एक नया मेकअप लुक जिसमें मैं सिर्फ 2 प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज़ करूँगी और उसी से मैं ये मेकअप लुक क्रिएट। इसमें हम सिर्फ 2 चीज़ें यूज़ करेंगे जो कि बहुत ही बेसिक है। आई एम गोना यूज़ फाउंडेशन एंड लिपस्टिक और उसके बाद हम रेडी। तो चलिए मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ।
Alright, so I'm gonna use the foundation that is from L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. It is very light foundation and it is oil free. So it is the best choice for the summers, monsoon and I think for all the seasons. The best thing about this one that you can wear it up to 24 hours without any oxidizing problem. So this one is my favorite, so much favorite yaar. If you are interested to know more about this foundation, so please comment below. I will make a separate video on this one. Okay, so here I'm gonna use a cute and mini foundation brush to blend my foundation all around my face. So let's do it fast. So we are done with the foundation. Now I will take my glamour stick which is from the brand Miss Clear. The shade I'm gonna wear is orange red. So first I will apply this one on my lips and after that I use the glamour stick and draw lines on my cheek and blend it with my cute and mini again blushing brush. So let's start doing these things.